What's up, guys? I'm back with another YouTube video. Today we're at Stepping Stones, part 2. Look at that view, bro. There's some Cheerios. Literally Cheerios. But look, we just got done feeding the fish. They're water meter fish. But look at that, though. I really like this part. I mean, this like section thing. I don't know. And there's some birds over here. Blackbirds. Well, they are gone now, but there's a this is where my papa and grandpa got married. I remember when I did the floss right here.
Oh, wait.
Alright.
You can't trip it, okay?
Alright.
That won't work.
Oh.
3, 2.
Nice. Alright. Puppy. Should we go up? Mom, do we go up there or there? Alright. Whoa. There's a web. There's a web right there, Mom. Oh, I see a bird.
Okay,
put it in your pocket.
Let's go up here. Holy.
You're welcome for
Oh,
the
yeah.
food, fishies.
Yeah, you're welcome for the food. We're having a yes day, viewers.
Hey,
Me-
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob. Oh yeah, SpongeBob. Yeah, so we decided to go to Stepping Stones where you can feed the fish and feed like the gooses. Oh yeah, that's where they're called, Don Don.
You know what? We might be able to get in there so that can plan the park at Bluebell.
Oh yeah.
Let's do it.
You want to do
Yeah,
that?
let's do it.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Don Don, those big birds are called gooses. I just remembered.
Geese.
Yeah,
There's
geese.
no such word as goose.
Sorry. Is there a word such thing as
There's a
geeses?
goose and there's geese.
Geeses?
No.
Okay. Just geese, alright. Old man riding bikes. Yeah, geese. Ew. Remember that time when we used to all the time play on it? Go tell me. Okay. You saw some baby geeses on me. Okay.
Is that a water park or just a regular park?
That's a park, I think. I don't know.
Hopefully it's a water park.
Yeah, hopefully. Good thing we bought water balloons.
Yeah. Is the video still going?
Surprisingly.
Get out the way for the
Yeah, for the geeses.
Yeah. Let's see the babies again.
Yeah, let's see the babies. Wait, are they there?
Oh, no.
Something's on my
I
arm.
don't see them.
Yeah, me neither. Okay, you're gonna hold the camera while I climb that tree. There you go. Oh, never mind. There's geeses right there. Where? Where? Oh, I see them. They're walking. They're walking. More babies? How is there that many babies? There's a lot.
Hey, look at them. Look at all those babies.
There's a lot.
Auntie Amy. Look
Look at all those babies.
There's so much baby.
Wow. There's so much babies.
They're so cute.
Well, peace, guys. This is the end of the video.